Okay. Where are you going? Oh, okay. Or you gonna fix your chair? Okay. Okay. Thank you.
If you need your toys, it's right there. Okay? Right here.
Whoa. Whoa. Hindi ba pwedeng dalhin dito yung ano niya, yung hoverboard? Sa garage, punasan? Ay, mag-ano pa? Ay, nag-ano pala yun, nagba-black, no? Where's Jade? What she's doing? Ah, okay, okay. Whoa! Do you want to do the Ferris wheel? You want to fix it? Almost done. Okay. Yeah, that's broken. Nobody's using that because it's someone break it. Yeah. Uh-oh. I thought you're fixing it. Wow. She's doing construction now.
I know. We put all the toys for it.
Hello.
And we got tape now, so we're good.
Come on in.
Hi, put the toy right here in the water tub. Then put it.
Okay. Can you fix it, please?
In the water river.
Thank you. Wow. Thank you for fixing my home.
No, this one.
Oh, yeah. That's my toy.
It's button.
Yeah.
And now it fits it. And I'm done. Now it's time. It's time.
Whoa.
Oh, your part now.
Oh, still loose though. Hi, still loose.
Okay.
Thank you. It's raining today, so I'm playing inside the house.
Only a tiny one.
Mm-hmm. And those are your construction. Why you're mad?
Never mind. Pick.
Beep, beep, beep. Oh. Thank you. Oh, it's okay now.
Bye.
Bye.
Tomorrow I need to back.
Okay.
Make a new home.
Another home. Thank you, Miguel, for watching the ads.
Hi.
Are you back? Come in.
Hi. Hey. How did you? Okay. I have to stay. I said I have to make a new home in that time.
Okay.
It pay down. How to
Oh, a playground. You're making a playground?
Yeah. Be way too.
Is that a big playground?